Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to switch account on IQIYI app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your IQIYI application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you get this application from? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Just launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type IQIYI and follow through the on-screen instructions to download and install the app. Now, after you have downloaded and installed the app successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage. Now, from this homepage, check the bottom corner of your screen and you're going to see the Me icon. Click on the Me icon and follow through the on-screen prompt at the top corner to log in or to sign up. Once you do that successfully, you can now come back to this homepage to explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the app. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to switch accounts on the IQIYI app. From this homepage, head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you have Home, you have Explore, you have Short, you have Download, and you have Me. So go ahead and click on the Me icon, and that takes you right into this window where you have My List, you have History, you have IQIYI Rewards, Language, you have Subtitle Translation, you have Settings, FAQ, and Feedback. Now, for you to switch accounts, all you need to do is to click on Settings. So once you click on Settings, now it takes you into this window where you have Account and Security, Playback and Download, you have Parental Controls, you have Privacy, Clear Cache, Check for Updates, Switch Account, and Logout. So go ahead and click on the Switch Account button. So in here, I have this account saved, which is very easy as well. And that is because I integrated my Google account into the IQIYI app. That means I signed up using Google account. So that's why I have this account in here. But if you want to switch account, just go ahead and click on this Add Account option. And once you click on that, it takes you over here. So over here, you have continue with Facebook, continue with Google, log in with password, log in via SMS. Now choose any of these options. And once you choose any of these options, just follow through the further prompts, which is self-explanatory, to add a new account, just like you did, just like the same processes that you used in creating your previous account. So this is just it. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.